Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right into today's poster asked, how do you brighten up teeth? And we got this nice photo here to show you exactly how to do that. I'm actually going to show you two ways to do it. The first way is I'm going to take this picture and I'm going to create a layer on top of it, an empty layer, and I'm going to grab a color. I'm going to go pure white. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to grab a brush and then pick a soft brush. I don't know, like 65 points. Let's take that soft brush and just draw a big line around where the teeth should be. One for the top and one for the bottom. And then all we have to do is take that opacity of that brush that we just drew and bring it down so you can see the teeth right in between the two. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit more, grab an eraser, and make sure it's another soft eraser, a 15 point, and basically zoom in there and erase around the teeth what you don't want to be white. And I'm going to erase this, and it's okay if it's not perfect. It's just a soft little edge that we're putting onto these teeth. I'm going to go around like this, right where I ended up. Now, how am I going to see what I want to erase beyond that? Let's take the opacity back up to 100%. Now, if I really want to see what I want to cut out and keep just the white, I'm going to put a layer of black in between. So I'm going to go back to my original layer, put an empty layer in between the white and our original picture. Grab a black brush and the paint bucket and just paint it right in. And that leaves us just the white that we drew and where we erased out. Now we want to get rid of everything else beyond that. Let's grab the lasso tool, and I can do it with the polygon or just a regular lasso tool, and I'm just going to draw a line basically around this whole edge where I erased, and I want to erase everything on the outside of that. As soon as I let go, it closes the circle. And you want to make sure that you choose the layer that you're working on. And as soon as I hit delete, it deletes everything else but the middle. Now I can do Control D to deselect, and it leaves me with just that white smudge right on top of the teeth. As soon as I turn off that black mask, now I can see exactly where the teeth were and what I wanted white. Now all you have to do is grab the opacity and bring it up and down accordingly. See this? Let's leave it right here at about 65%. I'm going to show you the before and after. Before and after. And that's one way to brighten up teeth. Anyway, that's one way to lighten up the teeth. There's a second way to do it. So let's bring in our second model here. And as you can see, here's the before and here's the after. Let's take the second version, and I'm going to make a duplicate copy of that photo. I'm going to hit duplicate, and now I got two layers on top of each other. Let's turn off the bottom layer. Let's hold on to the top layer and erase the teeth out with the eraser, where I'm going to grab mostly just the teeth and just carefully erase them out. Now once you've erased all the teeth, all you got to do is back out a little bit. Let's turn on the layer underneath. It's going to put those teeth back underneath. Grab that underneath layer, go over to Enhance, Lighting, Brightness and Contrast. Now watch what happens. Watch the teeth as I bring the brightness down or up. That completely whitens the teeth to whatever you want. And there we go. That's looking pretty good. Take your choice. Some people may like the one on the left more. Some people may like the one on the right more. It's your choice. And that's two ways to brighten up teeth. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial saying over and out.